Come with us to our staycation at the Morongo Casino Resort and Spa located in Cabazon, California. Morongo is about 90 minutes away from Los Angeles and 30 minutes away from Palm Springs. This will be my first time staying in a room at the Morongo Casino Resort and Spa. So let's go in and check it out. When you enter the room, you immediately come into the bathroom, which is a nice, spacious bathroom with a nice shower. I love that they have a bench in the shower, but I didn't care for that frosted window there. It's great having a Keurig coffee maker in the room, and they supply bottled water to make your coffee or tea, which is a nice touch. This room is also equipped with a mini refrigerator. Morongo has 3 outdoor pools. We did not get a pool view, but we did get a picturesque view of the mountains in Southern California. This room came with 2 queen beds. The mattress and the pillows were very comfortable. I slept well on them after an evening of gambling. Lobby, you'll see their signature sage spa, the entrance to the Oasis pool, and the Pink Coffee Cafe. Pink Coffee has great pastries and coffee. I was able to enjoy that for breakfast on my last day there. Thanks for watching my video. Be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and join me on my next adventure on Order Up Fun. Thank you for watching.